Okay, people, I'm going to get my new male budgie for my collection. I will show you how to tame your bird. Okay, everybody, the bird is now home. So when you open the box, of course, he's going to be startled. Okay. So through the taming process, your bird is not going to want to fly, get on your finger, whether they have their wings clipped or not. But with their wings clipped, they have no choice but to be on your finger because they're going to get tired from trying to fly away, which they can't. So they're going to stay on your finger. But the type of person I am, I don't clip the bird's wings. But if they're already cut, I can work with that. So what I do is I take a spray bottle and I wet the wings because it's the same thing as if their wings are clipped because they can't fly. So what you want to do is get your bird. Get him. I'm gonna put it like this. I don't have a second hand to do this. So, and when they're wet, either they have a bath or not, oh no, he's humping my finger. When they're wet, they get calmer because they're more cooler. Oh Lord. Okay. Okay. Ow. That kind of hurts. So you want to make sure that you wet every wing of his so he can't fly. Now you may say that's stressing him out too much, but when you tame a bird, they're going to get stressed out anyway because they haven't had time for them to get on your finger anyway. So instead of just taking your time, this is the fast way. Now you see he's on my finger. He's not as much trying to fly away because he know he can't anymore. So it's just a matter of like just sitting there. So that's him. That's how I tame my birds. And I'm going to keep wetting his wings. I'm going to keep wetting his wings so he knows he can't go anywhere. And then the next step is wait till he gets hungry, because that's when he's going to be more vulnerable to be around you because you're going to have a source of food for him. So this is what I do. I just play with them and just make them step up on my finger. So when they step up, they can get used to your hands and stuff because they're kind of scared and don't know what to think of you yet. So I just keep wetting their wings and just make them step up by themselves. See? He's calm. He's not like panting or anything. But if his wings were not wet, he would be flying everywhere. And he'll get tired and start panting. And that stresses them out when they're tired. Usually he's not panting. So keep wetting their wings. If you're at home, keep wetting their wings. And play with them so they can get used to you. So by the end of the day, you see it's still daytime. He should be like used to your hand. So this gets them more tame faster. This is how I'm able to take pictures of my birds and everything. and get them to fly to me because they have no choice but to be on your hands because they can't go anywhere. So you can either like this or you cannot like this. This is how I've been raising my budgies for forever. So all of my birds that I have are tame because of this process. So you can either like the way I'm doing it or you can may be angry at the way I'm doing it. But it doesn't kill the bird. So this is what I do. So I'm going to pause this video, and when I come back, he should be able to like step up and do all the other things by the end of the day. And by that time, he will be hungry, so he'll start coming to me more, and he'll be wanting to eat. And he may fly to me. I might get a flying video tonight. So that's him. He's not that scared of me because his wings are wet. And when birds have a bath, they seem to be more calmer, I've noticed. So this is what I do. And if he preens himself while he's on my finger, that's a good sign because birds wouldn't preen themselves on you if they're not comfortable. So this is what I do. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, so if your bird did that, then you're doing something right. I've been here trying to get it to cooperate, and it did. It haven't flew away from me since I wet the wings. So if you don't know what you're doing, I wouldn't want you to wet their wings. And if you don't know how long to fast your bird, I wouldn't say starve because starve is such a harsh word. But the seeds are in there. I'm just trying to like, well, if you just got your bird, he probably won't eat anyways. So if your bird has been in your cage for a while, he probably eats already. So see, he's used to me. He's preening in front of me. He doesn't really care. So if you just got your bird, he probably won't eat. So try to like get him to eat. That's what I've been doing. And after he tastes the food, then he'll be wanting to eat more. So that's what I'll do. And I'll come back. So stay tuned.